Hello and welcome back to NAZ Today. My name is Makayla Richardson and I will be your student forecaster on this Thursday afternoon. Now taking a look at our Flagstaff currently, we have that outside temperature of about 45 degrees with clear skies, a barometric pressure reading at about 30.11 inches, and a relative humidity of 33%. We also have southwest winds coming at us at about 14 miles per hour. Now you can see there's a lot of cloud coverage here in northern Arizona, but don't listen to this little piece of white over here because that is our beautiful Mount Humphreys being covered in snow. Taking a look at our daily almanac for today, we'd had that high temperature of 46 degrees today with a low of 17. That high is perfectly on average, and our average low is about a little bit higher than our low for today. You can see our records were set in 1947 and 1942 respectively, with our record high set as 65 degrees in 1947 and our record low of -10 degrees in 1942. Taking it over to precipitation, you can see that yesterday we didn't have any precipitation, and since January 1st we have accumulated 5.52 inches of snow, and that is way above our average of 3.01. Our sunrise today was at 7:13 a.m. and our sunset will be at 6:09. Looking at our high temperatures for today around northern Arizona, you can see the Grand Canyon saw the same high as Flagstaff with 46. Kingman had a high of 57. Prescott had the same at a high of 57. Phoenix, you guys were pretty warm with a high of 72. Winslow, you had a high of 62, and Hope, you had a high of 52 degrees. Tonight we will have that forecast low of 17 degrees like I mentioned earlier, with mostly clear skies and that sunset at 6:09 like I mentioned earlier. For tomorrow, we have that forecast high of 50 degrees with partially sunny skies and that sunrise at 7:12 a.m. Looking over at the forecast temperatures for tomorrow in the northern Arizona region, we have that high of 64 and a low of 40 in Kingman, a high of 59 and a low of 31 in Prescott, a high of 73 and a low of 48 in Phoenix, that's Prescott. We have a high of 59 and a low of 27 in Winslow, and a high of 58 and a low of 35 in Payson. Now bringing it back to Flagstaff, we have that high of 50 degrees and a low of 19 on Friday, a high of 51 degrees and a low of 25 on Saturday. Sunday, sunny skies still with a high of 52 and a low of 24 degrees. Monday, we can see that high of 53 degrees and a low of 26. And Tuesday, we have a high of 52 degrees and a low of 27 with a chance of snow that night. Now, that is all I have for weather today. Make sure you stay up to date on our socials for more sports, weather, and news.